Good morning, this is Guru's Tech Bytes for Tuesday, April 14th, 2026. First up, a rather alarming supply chain attack in the WordPress ecosystem. Someone has quietly purchased 30 WordPress plugins and injected backdoors into every single one of them. The compromised plugins were pushing malicious code to live sites through routine updates, and the scale of it is staggering, with hundreds of thousands of installations affected. It's a stark reminder that in open source, trust is earned, and apparently, also purchase. Second, Google has announced a new spam policy targeting so-called back button hijacking. You know the trick. You click back and somehow end up on a page you never visited. Google will now consider this a spam violation, meaning sites that pull this stunt risk being penalised in search rankings. Honestly, it's about time. Few things on the web are more irritating, and it's refreshing to see Google actually cracking down rather than, well, doing it. And finally, researchers have published work on introspective diffusion language models, a novel approach that brings diffusion-based generation into the language modeling space. The technique allows models to iteratively refine their output rather than generating text in a single left-to-right pass. It's still early days, but the results suggest this could open up interesting new directions for how we think about text generation. That's your daily bite. Have a great day. Until next time.